Hello traders, this is the best Telegram channel for the Forex traders, crypto traders and the stocks traders, because this is the something that we are doing a great job on this Telegram channel. You can find the link of the Telegram channel in the description of this video below. So first of all, I make a lot of videos about the strategies. So whenever any strategy will be shared on YouTube, then it will also be shared into the Telegram channel. And moreover guys, about our premium indicator, as you can see that I basically upload the screenshots from the daily market, and that involves a lot of things like Forex, crypto, gold and trading market, stocks, US 30, Tesla, everything like crypto. So you will see a lot of analysis from my side, and this could also work just like a signals for you. So for example, just have a look on this screenshot, so you can see that we have a sell signal on USD JPY. So you can also consider them as your signal as well. However, I do not have any service where I provide the signal service. So this is my private indicator, and this is the paid indicator. You can also contact on Telegram regarding this indicator, because this is heavily used by my subscribers and they are making profit. And my second service is about the coaching, and you can see that I have received the feedback like 2 days ago, and you can see the guide has taken the price action coaching from me, and then he sent the message that I have shared into the Telegram group. Because when any success story will come after the coaching session or after the indicator, then I also share and take the screenshots. I just put a mark on the name of the person, so that their personal information should not be shared with anyone, and you can see. So what it is saying, like on 6th of June, I have on the next day I have asked any progress about the coaching session. Then he said that give me a week to practice and test. And on the 2nd of July, after a long time, he contacted me. Hey coach, I apologize, I never got back with you after a few months, but I have been practicing your strategies and using your indicator, and I'm proud to say that I'm consistently making 300 to 1500 a day with a demo account of 3k. Now I think I'm confident to use a live account. I owe you the word. So this is how my subscribers make the profits. Okay, so if you go back, then you can see on the Telegram channel you will have a lot of analysis that are given based on my indicator, because this indicator is a very good indicator, and that's already beating the market conditions. Okay, now you can see the one of the strategy was posted. It is also highlighted on the Telegram channel, and moreover all of the updates will come here, and when any of my subscriber will make the profit, then he sent me the screenshot, I share in the group. So if you look at this if you look at this screenshot, then you can see above $300 that he made on gold trading. You can see with the 0.12, 0.23 and the lot sizes, you can see my subscribers are making profit. And if you scroll back this Telegram channel, you will see a lot of reviews from my students who are actually making money with the Forex, crypto and the stock market. And there are some cases where the traders have left the crypto due to my indicator, and now they have become a full-time Forex trading expert. Okay, so now they are trading into the Forex market. So guys, if you go back here, another screenshot, you can see how much, $829 by my student, and that was the message from my side. Good job again with the indicator. So guys, this is how you can be a part of our community. So the Telegram channel link is given in the description of this video below, and if you will have any questions, you can contact me on Telegram. You can also leave an email on fxmentor1985@gmail.com. So guys, thank you very much. Join our community through the link that is given in the description of this video below. So please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you very much.